Welcome back to Tech with Pranita. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topic in PLSQL. It is iterative statement, also known as looping statement. If you want to execute the same state of statement in multiple times without writing code again and again, then iterative statements are used. By the end of this video, we will understand first is a what is statement, second is a while loop use, third one is a types of loop, first simple loop, second while loop, third for loop, then exit statement, exit when statement using practical example. So let's begin. First one is a what is an iterative statement? First of all, let's understand the meaning of the word iterative. Iterative means repeating the same task in multiple times. In PLSQL, an iterative statement is used to execute a block of code repeatedly until a specified conditions become false. Instead of writing the same code in many times, we simply use a loop. For example, suppose you want to print number from 1 to 10. Without a loop, you could have to write like this print 1, print 2, print 3 up to number of prints. Means आप उसको क्या करेंगे मैन्युअली राइट करेंगे. This is not good programming practice. Instead, we use a loop. Why? Then next point is a why use loop iterative statement. There are many advantages. First one is a reduce code repetition. Second one is a save development time. Third one is a make code easier to understand, makes program shorter, easy to maintain and improve reliability. Then next point is the types of iterative. There are three types of loop available in PLSQL. First one is a simple loop, second one is a while loop, third one is a for loop. Then do while loop is the optional part. Let's understand each one in the details. First one is a simple loop. This simple loop is the most basic loop in PLSQL. It keeping executing forever until a explicit stop it using exit command. So let's start with online compiler. So first open Chrome browser and type here Oracle Live. तो हम क्या करेंगे ओरेकल लाइव पे सारी प्रोग्रामिंग करने वाले हैं. So start with the first loop is a simple loop. So write first set server output is on. Next declare I data type is number is equal to 1. Then begin your program, open your loop and dbms output dot put line inside the bracket number is equal to comma I. Comma I is equal to I plus 1 comma semicolon exit when I is greater than 5, semicolon, end loop, and end your program. Let's execute this program. So see here, number 1 to 5 procedure successfully completed. So line by line explain this program. First one is a set server output on. These commands enable output on the screen. Next one is a without the commands dbms.output.put line will not display anything. Second one is a declaration part. The declaration sections begins wherever are declared here. Then next one is the I numbers means data type is equal to 1. So a variables named I is created. Its data type is number and initial value is 1 means starting value is 1. Then next one is the begin parts. It is executable section start. Then next one is a loop start and infinity loops. Then next one is a DBMS output dot put line. Print the current value from I when I is 1. Then output become number is first 1. Next line is a increased by I plus 1. Then exit when I greater than 5. Check the conditions. If I become greater than 5, then loop will be stopped. Then last one is the end loop and then end the PLSQL blocks. So it is the simple use of loop. Then next one is a while loop. So while loop checks the condition before executing. If the condition is false initially, the loop will never executed. So start with program. First, I number is equal to 1. Begin your program. Then while I is less than is equal to 5, loop start here, dbms output dot put line into the bracket in single quote number is equal to I, semicolon is must, then I is equal to I plus 1, then end loop and end PLSQL block. Just 1 minute. Okay. So error, let's check. Declare I number is greater than, okay. Then begin while loop start here, then dbms I is equal to I plus 1, then end your program and end your PLSQL block. Run this program. Okay, see here output is declared. So it is checked first if true, the loop execute. If false, the loop will be can be end. Next, so this is simple program for while SQL. Then next one is a for loop. Let's check how to write for loop. The for loop is the easiest loop. No need to any declare or increment in the loop. Variable is manually you can write. PLSQL does it automatically. So check first begin, then for I in start is 1 and end is 10. Then loop can be start. Output line is dbms output dot put line in bracket number is equal to I. Next, in this loop and end PLSQL block. Let's check. See, for automatically start from 1 and end for 10 and increment by automatically 1 by. So then stop automatically. This is basically most important three loops. First is a loop, then second one is a while loop, and last one is a for loop. So today's all for this video we can learn. First is a what is iterative statement, then why use loops, then simple loops, while loops and for loops. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Tech with Pranita. Don't forget to press bell icon so if you never miss our upcoming PLSQL tutorials. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you friends.